Sevan Electric midsize dehumidifier protects your space, such as the kitchen, bathroom, garage, caravan, basement, wardrobe, closet, boat, or anywhere else. The portable design includes making it easy to move your unit from room to room. Plus, you'll save money with its designs that are clean, modern, and fit perfectly into your daily life. Our color palettes are neutral to fit into any home or decor. All dehumidifier appliance has been meticulously tested by our in-house engineering team to proactively address and prevent design or mechanical issues. The dehumidifier has a large capacity 1.5-liter water tank. It would auto-off an LED indicator when full. Compact, portable, and lightweight moisture absorber. Noiseless when you sleep at night. The updated design offers you a whole new experience. Effectively protect your furniture. As well, when low humidity exists in the air, it makes the living environment comfortable. There is a common problem in many houses for high humidity. It indicates may cause your room to smell unpleasant and unhealthy. Toxic can release harmful things into the air. It starts to grow at 50% humidity, so it is vital that you control your room humidity level to prevent its growth. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ultra quiet and compact. The dehumidifier uses ultra-quiet technology, not bother or noise during the operation of the machine. It shuts off automatically and triggers an LED indicator light when the tank is full and the water is ready to take out. Number 2. Easy cleaning and take out and energy efficient. Easy to keep your home cleaning and provide a healthy working and living environment. Walks efficient per day 18 ounces from the air. Number 3. 1.5-liter water tank and easy to dispense water, large capacity of the water tank. When the water tank is full, easy to take it from the dehumidifier, pull the plug out and empty it into a sink or drain via the easy-to-use water outlet. Number 4. High-efficiency work. Portable dehumidifier designed with 1,500 milliliters capacity tank extracts up to 500 milliliters daily in 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 80% RH, enclosed and small rooms and spaces. Number 5. Auto shut-off function. Electric dehumidifiers shut off automatically when full water. Light would turn yellow when the water tank needs draining. Turn off the dehumidifier and remove the water tank, then pour water from the black rubber. Number 6. Ultra quiet. Small dehumidifier built-in thermoelectric cooling technology, Peltier. Operates without a compressor, meaning whisper quiet operation in bedrooms, bathrooms, and offices. Perfect use at night in a small room. Number 7. Portable and compact. Air dehumidifier is one-button control and small size, 7.10 by 5.10 by 11.20 inches. Perfect for control humidity in your home, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, caravan, garage, closet. Like all mini dehumidifiers, the optimal operating temperature is 59 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It will not work below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 8. Create a healthy and comfortable environment. According to research, if the moisture in the air above 50% can breed uncomfortable or other health problems. Our dehumidifier starts work when the humidity more than 45%. It collects moisture and releases fresh air, providing you a healthy and comfortable environment. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How long will a 12-volt 240 amp per hour RV battery run this for before the battery needs recharging? Answer. It could need about 60 W per hour. Question number 2. Amp or wattage for this? Answer. This dehumidifier is 60 watts, 12 volts DC, 5 amp. Question number 3. Does this come with a hose to allow it to drain into a sink? Answer. Sorry. It only could pour it through the tank hole. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.